Are you ready to make your first 1K per month from blogging? If so, then this is the video for you. I'm going to share with you my 12-month blog plan, and it is completely free for you to use. You will be able to download it as a PDF as well. But do watch this video so you can know what's included and if it's something that's for you. So why I created this 12-month blog plan? That's because I was just where you are a few short years ago. And I was completely overwhelmed with all the blogging tips. I was reading so many resources about blogging, about how to grow your blog, how to monetize, and to be honest, it can get overwhelming. There's a lot of info out there and it's really hard to kind of narrow down and focus on just a few steps that will take you where you need to be. So after I started putting in place the strategy that I show you in my 12-month blog plan, I started seeing really good results. My blog grew to over 100K monthly page views, and then my income obviously grew from that as well. So if you want to do blogging as a hobby, I feel like that's absolutely fine. There's nothing wrong with doing that. But if you are ready to take it to the next level and start actually making money with it, then this blog plan is for you. And what you need to start making money with your blog is a blog strategy. So this includes how often you post, what your audience, what your target audience is, what their problems are, how you're going to help them, how you're going to monetize your blog. So your strategy includes quite a lot of things, and these are all covered in my 12-month blog plan. I'm going to spill my secret for you on how to start a successful blog. So let's say your absolute dream is to become a full-time blogger. What you need for this, again, is a strategy. And the way that you achieve your goal is to break it down into small, actionable steps. So you have that big dream. I want to be a full-time blogger. You put that on your vision board and you're ready to go for it. Now, what's next? You can break that big dream down into some bigger goals. So what you want to achieve each month, or kind of what your main goals are. Let's say your first main goal is to achieve 1K per month, or to join a ad network like Mediavine, for example. For each of those big goals, you will then go ahead and make smaller actionable steps that you will take each month and each week, each day of your blogging schedule, so that you can achieve that big dream of yours. And to be honest, if you have a dream and you don't have a plan for it, it's just standing there. It's not going to happen. You absolutely need to take those steps if you do want to achieve your goals. Now, the thing is, you don't want to be posting aimlessly on your blog because your time is precious and you have limited amounts of it. So you do need to use your time wisely and focus on the tasks that get you results, because just posting aimlessly will get you nowhere. So each of your blog posts will have to have a reason behind it. So is it an affiliate post? Is it something to drive traffic to one of your products if you sell any products yet? Is it to bring some brand awareness? Is it to help solve a problem for your audience? So with the 12-month blog plan, you get the exact strategy and all the posts that you need to write, the purpose behind them. So in this plan, it's 20+ pages long, and it's got a month-by-month breakdown. It shows you how to use it. It shows you how to start from scratch if you haven't already, and also the exact steps that you need to take to achieve a variety of income streams for your own blog. I've created it in a very visual manner just because I feel like it's easier to grasp, it's easier to follow. I've included links to all the resources that you need as well, so that you can have it all focused in one place. You can feel free to print it if you want to, or just save it on your computer and refer back to it when you need to. But just to kind of give you an overview of what you will do each month. So for month 1, I'm sharing with you how to start your blog on the right foot, so just start it the right way. Then in month 2, I'm sharing what social platforms to use and how to use them in order to boost your blog traffic, because it's really important. It's just because you have a social platform doesn't mean it's going to do anything for you unless you know how to use it. In month 3, we talk about how to rank in Google search, and also why you need an email list and how to use that as well. In month 4, we actually get into monetizing. So we start with your first monetizing strategy, and then we also talk a bit about how to grow your list again. And you have, again, actionable steps for each of these things so that you know exactly what you need to do to achieve each of these mini goals. In month 5, we really narrow it down to the type of content that you need to create in order to see results for your own blog. In month 6, I teach you how to include more revenue streams for your own business so that you can increase your income with more diverse streams. And that's really great because just having one stream of income can be a bit risky. Like if something happens, you could lose that income stream, but let's say you have 5 different income streams, then if something happens to one of them, you are covered because you have the other 4. So that's why I teach you how to diversify your income streams. In month 7, I share some tricks that will help you grow your blog traffic. In month 7, we cover SEO. If you have no idea what that is, don't worry. It stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it basically helps you rank in Google search. So we cover this in month 8. And then we also talk about how to get more page views from that. In month 9, we talk about how to grow your email list even further, like to really boost your email list, and also how to get blog traffic that really matters, because you might not know this, but not all blog traffic is equal. So you do need quality traffic from people who are actually interested in your content in order to see any sort of results in terms of money. In month 10, I teach you how to do market research, and that can be either for your blog posts, so you can easily use this to create your content, or you can use this market research to create your future products, which is really amazing, especially if you want to create digital products. This will really help you out. In month 11, you've got the steps on how to create your first digital product, which is going to be huge. Like, when you start creating your own products, that's a really big boost to your income. That's what happened in my case as well. And I know a lot of other bloggers follow this same path and they see really good results. And then in month 12, we talk about how to launch that product that you just created and add another income stream to your business. So this is just kind of an overview. Obviously, there's a lot more details. There's actionable steps for each of these things on what you need to do every single week and every single month to get you these results. But yeah, in this 12-month blog plan, you basically get the step-by-step from month 0 to month 12 on how to go from absolute zero, no traffic, to a successful blog. So I hope this helps you. I've really put a lot into this blog plan, so I hope this is really helpful for you. You can download it at the link down below. So yeah, do let me know what you think of it after you download it, and I hope you find this helpful. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Make sure to subscribe for more blogging tips, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!